other half. The idiom, other half, is often used to refer to a person's spouse, partner, or significant other. It implies that the person being referred to completes or complements the other person, making them feel whole or complete. It suggests a strong emotional connection and a sense of unity between two individuals. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of the idiom. 1. My wife is my other half. We have been together for over 20 years and I can't imagine my life without her. In this example, the speaker is expressing how important their wife is to them and how their life feels incomplete without her. The wife is seen as the missing piece that makes the speaker feel whole. 2. John and Sarah are perfect for each other. They truly are each other's other half. In this sentence, it is stated that John and Sarah complete each other. They have a deep connection and their personalities, strengths, and weaknesses complement each other, making them a perfect match. 3. I can always count on my best friend. She is like my other half. Here, the speaker is emphasizing the strong bond and trust they have with their best friend. They rely on their friend as if they were a part of themselves, suggesting that their friend completes them emotionally. 4. As soon as they met, they knew they were meant to be. They instantly recognized each other as their other half. This example highlights a strong connection between two people who quickly realize that they are meant to be together. They feel a deep understanding and recognition of each other, as if they were the missing piece in their lives. Overall, the idiom, other half, is used to convey a sense of unity, completeness, and emotional connection between two individuals who complement each other in a relationship. It represents the idea that together they form a whole.